Welcome to the Early Learning Community Place. Come on in, we have a surprise for you.
Hi, my name is Victoria. Welcome to the Early Learning Community Place, where we're here to assist our parents and our providers to their best abilities and need for eligibility. Here we also have computers available for anyone that needs any assistance as far as applying with services, training, CCNR, which is resource and referral through our community if that's needed for pretty much anything far as childcare, far as home, far as food, far as shelter, any of those needs. We are here to assist the community.
When you come into the Early Learning Community Place, we have 3 spaces. We have our model classroom, our main training space, and our resource library.
In our model classroom, you can come visit us with a scheduled field trip, an opportunity to practice with your coach, or plan different events that you may have in the community. We would love to see you in our model classroom and for your kids to explore all the different centers we have available. We have a variety of places where kids can play, including blocks, art, our library, dramatic play, math, and literacy. We hope to see you here. Now we're in the community training space. In this space, we'll be hosting a variety of trainings, including class group coaching for providers, active parenting for families, and partner meetings. We can book the training space for you, and we're happy to host you for any of your events upcoming. Come take a look.
Now we are in the resource library where families, parents, and teachers could come in and check out books and toys and whatever they may like.
If you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call at our CCNR team. The number is 561-514-3300.